Welcome to today's video on becoming an AWS data engineer in 2023. If you're passionate about data and cloud technologies and looking to start a rewarding career in data engineering, you're in the right place. Amazon Web Services, or AWS, is a leading cloud services platform, and data engineers proficient in AWS are in high demand. This video will explore the essential steps and resources to become an AWS data engineer. Let's get started. First and foremost, it's essential to understand the AWS data engineer's role. A successful AWS data engineer is responsible for designing, building, managing, and optimizing large-scale data processing systems on the AWS platform. They work with big data tools and technologies like Amazon Redshift, AWS Glue, Amazon EMR, and Amazon Kinesis. This role is essential for understanding databases, data warehousing, ETL processes, and data modeling. Before diving into AWS, you'll need a solid foundation in data engineering concepts. Familiarize yourself with relational databases and SQL, NoSQL databases, data warehousing concepts, ETL processes, data modeling and normalization, big data processing frameworks like Hadoop and Spark, data streaming, real-time processing, and data visualization tools. To become an AWS data engineer, you'll need a thorough understanding of AWS services and their applications in data engineering tasks. Start by learning about Amazon S3, EC2, Amazon RDS, Redshift, AWS Glue, Amazon EMR, Amazon Kinesis, and AWS Lambda. After acquiring a solid understanding of AWS services and data engineering concepts, it's time to gain hands-on experience. Set up a free AWS account and try out various services. Work on real-world projects to solidify your skills and expand your portfolio. Contribute to open-source projects or participate in hackathons and coding challenges to enhance your problem-solving abilities. Certifications are a great way to showcase your expertise and commitment to the field. Consider pursuing AWS Certified Big Data Specialty, AWS Certified Data Analytics Specialty, and AWS Certified Solutions Architect Associate certifications. Engage with the data engineering and AWS communities by joining online forums and attending conferences, webinars, and meetups. Network with professionals in the field to learn about the latest trends, tools, and best practices. This helps you stay updated and increases your chances of finding job opportunities and mentorship. As you embark on your job search, tailor your resume to highlight your relevant skills, certifications, and experience in data engineering and AWS. Prepare for technical interviews by practicing common data engineering and AWS questions. Leverage platforms like LeetCode and HackerRank to hone your problem-solving skills and gain confidence. As an AWS data engineer, staying ahead of the curve and continually updating your skills is crucial. Familiarize yourself with the latest AWS services, tools, and industry trends. Consider learning related technologies, such as machine learning and artificial intelligence, to expand your skill set and increase your marketability. In addition to technical skills, data engineers must possess strong soft skills, including communication, collaboration, adaptability, and problem-solving. Develop these skills to work effectively with cross-functional teams and adapt to changes in technologies and project requirements. As you gain experience in the field, consider pursuing advanced certifications such as the AWS Certified Solutions Architect Professional or the AWS Certified Machine Learning Specialty. These certifications not only demonstrate your expertise but also open doors to more senior roles and better career opportunities. Before we wrap up, let's discuss the salary expectations for AWS data engineers in 2023. Several factors, such as experience, location, industry, and level of expertise influence salaries. Entry-level data engineers can expect to earn around $70,000 to $90,000 per year, while mid-level professionals may earn between $90,000 and $120,000. Senior-level AWS data engineers with more than 5 years of experience can earn between $120,000 and $160,000 or more per year. Becoming an AWS data engineer requires dedication, hard work, and a passion for data engineering and cloud technologies. By following these steps and staying committed to continuous learning, you can build a successful career as an AWS data engineer. Embrace the journey, and before you know it, you'll be an indispensable asset in the world of data engineering. That's all for today's video. If you found this information helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more informative content. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching, and good luck on your journey to becoming an AWS data engineer.